A small girl lived in a quiet village. She was very good and kind-hearted. Everyone in the village loved her. Every day, she went outside her house with a sweet smile. She talked politely with elders, asked about. She saw an old man sitting alone. She went near him and said respectfully, "Grandfather, how are you? Did you eat food?" The old man smiled with joy and blessed her. After that, the girl continued walking to another place. Suddenly, she noticed a small bird hopping on the ground. The bird was looking around again and again. It looked scared and lonely. The girl understood that the bird was missing its parents. She looked around, thinking carefully what to do next. The girl gently picked up the small bird in her hands. She spoke softly, "Don't be scared. I will take care of you." While walking home, many thoughts came into her mind. Where are your parents? Why are you alone here? What should I do to help you? She reached home and sat quietly in a corner. She placed the bird near her. The bird kept looking around the room again and again. After some time, the bird suddenly started moving its little wings. It jumped, shook its body, and began dancing playfully. The girl laughed with happiness. The bird ran towards her again and again. It climbed onto her hand, then her shoulder. From that day, they became very close friends. Day by day, the bird started doing more funny things. It followed the girl everywhere. It chirped happily whenever it saw her. The girl fed it carefully and spoke to it like a friend. One day, the bird tried to fly. It flew for a very short time and came back to her. The girl felt happy but also a little worried. Inside her heart, she thought, "One day, you will fly away and leave me." The next day, the bird flew again. This time, it flew higher and longer. It circled around the house and went far into the sky. The girl stood still. Her eyes became wide.